Hey guys, this is Judy from Judita Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a live swatch video for you on some of the April polish pickup nail polishes. I seriously can't believe that another month has passed and we are nearing the April polish pickup store to be again open. And today I have 4 polishes to show you that will be available at polish pickup that will be open this month or in April on April 3rd, and it will be open until April 6th. And these polishes, some of them do have caps. I will link for you what I can in the description box. That way you know if you need to put your hands on these quickly, relatively quickly, or if there is no cap on these. If you do have any questions on the polish pickup store, you can certainly leave it for me in the comment section. But I will also have a link that will kind of answer some frequently asked questions. Polish pickup is again open once a month for 4 days. It's usually the first Friday of the month, and there are hundreds of indie nail polish makers or indie brands in general that are offering their limited edition products based on the month's theme. The April theme is Aquatic Wonder, and I really love these 4 polishes that were sent to me, and also the wish listing is already open. And again, I'm struggling, guys. I'm trying to behave and don't purchase too many polishes from polish pickup anymore, but the makers are killing it with this theme, so I'm gonna have some difficulties. Anyways, if you do like live swatch videos, then please give me a thumbs up, and of course if you don't want to miss out on any of my future swatch videos, then also hit the subscribe button. I would appreciate that a lot. I will now jump into the swatches. If you have any questions, comments, leave them for me in the comment section. Keep watching, and I will be back for you with some more soon. So thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.